Welcome to episode 5 of the hashtag Saving to Fiki project. Before we begin, I would just like to let you know why we haven't released a video in over a year. And that's because we decided to leave Mauritius to go work in the Mediterranean so we could earn some money to send back for Tafiki's materials and to continue building. In this video, we have the time jumps again, so I hope that you can keep up and enjoy. So here we are, back in Mauritius, having some fun before we head off for our Indian Ocean crossing.
1, 2, 3,
500 years old, shot at by cannons.
We visited the Old Grand Port Heritage Site, which is located on the southeast coast. The Dutch chose a spot at the foot of the Lion Mountain 7 meters above sea level, overlooking the magnificent bay. We now start preparing to head for our Indian Ocean crossing. Meet our crew Monica and Steve. Here we are at Port Louis Harbour, getting ready to set sail.
This is our original route. However, low pressure that snuck up from the Southern Ocean, heading further north than most low pressures would, caught up to us, forcing us to head north to Mozambique to outrun the storm.
Because of the bad weather, here we're dragging mooring lines off the stern to slow the boat and prevent us from pitch poling. And as always, the camera never does the size of these waves justice. the 10th of October and it is the first day that we are all back in the boatyard of Port Louis where our Tafiki has been sitting for the last year. We left about a year ago to sail from Mauritius to Cape Town and this boat has had no work done for about a year. The cockpit has been removed, you can see it there. And yes, basically we are starting from scratch, although what we've done looks still good. Unfortunately, there are termites, so we have to go and spray. But ain't she beautiful? Like now. Say hi! What you doing?
Testing my old patches.
Testing your old patches. Seems good. To get started again on fixing her up. So let's go down into the porthole and see what that looks like. And then we are going to now be taking out the mattresses. I'm going to get a vacuum, check all these holes that still need to be patched up. But as you can see over here, the termites have turned the wood into soil. We don't see them at the moment, but we can see what they have done. Sure. There's some more holes. Okay, let's get all these. Okay, so now we got all the mattresses out and the other pieces of wood, and I'm going to vacuum in here. And there's Andre, hello. And now we're going to walk to the starboard side to go and clear that out. And I found some clean rags, which is great. Shit, I'm going to go the other way. Okay, there's all the mattresses. Starboard side, where we were patching up here. So this has already been all patched up along there. Just need new windows. That's been patched up, and that's been patched up. Under again. This is the bathroom. And we need to get all this crap out as well. See, all our tools are still here from last time. The old sunglasses, a little unicorn, buckets, and buckets. This will be our bed over here. Okay. Okay, so here we go to spray the poison. And there's Mama Bear, Mama Poya Bear. Mama Poya Bear? Yeah. She's trying to chuck a bucket. Every corner, like even the cupboard. So those will be covered. And you see that dark hole? That's where I pulled out foam last year.
You lost your phone?
No, I pulled out foam. Okay, so I've just knocked out all this frozen wood that was eaten by the termites. You see on the floor, it's all down there. And now we can see, after we sprayed the boat with poison, here's the dead termites. But they've made all this wood like super soft. Check here. Just crumbles and crumbles away. Into the rabbit hole Megan goes. Standing. So here is Daniel and Andre Dan's scooping out the foam, standing there. Andre's right at the back with the high pressure water hose. Very noisy. And Tiffany, I'm going to climb there and knock that up. And then so the guys are high pressure hosing inside, digging out some more foam as well. Here's Megan, digging out some foam. Whew.
Got Megan over there doing her thing. She's at the bottom. She's downstairs. Oh, she's down at the bottom. Dirty, dirty,
Good solid wood.
Oh, that's great.
Sand it, get the nice shape, then we're going to fiberglass it and paint it. We've got 2 grand in it.
I got my snowball on the wrong side of my fucking face. Did he?